Hi guys, today we will review the Sky router. Now, Sky has two recent versions of the router. It's the SkyHub 3.0 and the SkyHub 4.2. Those are the standard Wi-Fi routers, and they have a premium Wi-Fi router which is called the Wi-Fi Max router. It's white and it actually is a little bit different, and it's the bestest router on the market from the past couple of months. But we'll have a look at the standard router, which is black, and the standard Wi-Fi. Now guys, in general, this router doesn't always work. Sometimes there are interferences and problems, and they cannot afford to add external antennas because they had problems with people claiming that they get hurt on the external antennas. So their only option is to have built-in antennas. They can't do anything about that. In most cases the router works, but sometimes there is interference and other problems and the router doesn't work correctly. In which case, they will do everything possible to get that fixed, but we recommend the following. The bestest way to improve the Wi-Fi in your house is to use a second router. Now, you can access the Sky router normally. After you connect to the Sky Wi-Fi, you have to visit this page. And then you will see this. You have to click on wireless. That's great. We click on wireless. And then we can scroll down and disable the Wi-Fi for the Sky router. Now you can keep it on if you want to, of course, but you can also turn it off if that is what you want. And after that, you can use a second router and connect it to the yellow ports on the back of the Sky router. To yellow port number 3, if you have this Sky router, and you have to connect it to one of these yellow ports if you have this Sky router, and the second router will do the job. Now we recommend this one. It's the TP-LINK AC1900. It's a great router, guys. It gives you 600 megabits on 2.4 and 1300 megabits on 5G, a total of 2 gigabit router, which is actually great. This is a good router. It has a USB port and it will give you everything you need in your house. Now this cap shouldn't be here as it can cause interference, of course, but it's just a picture. TP-Link should revise it. And that's it, guys. If you want to improve the Wi-Fi because you have problems, especially for Victorian houses with very thick walls and so on, we recommend using this router. It's connected with a standard Ethernet cable. This blue master port goes to yellow port number 3 on the back of the Sky Hub, and then you can use this router as normal. You can set the name of the Wi-Fi to whatever you want to. If you want to, you can make it the same as the Sky router, but it's up to you. You can try whichever suits you best, and normally we recommend disabling the Sky Wi-Fi and only using the TP-Link, as you won't have any problems. Also guys, these are the security options for the Sky router. We'll make a separate video about this, but if you don't want to buy a second router in general, we recommend using the mixed mode because older devices support it better. And if you want to, you can use this mode as well, which is a little bit better. On your devices, this mode will show as strong security, this will show as weak security, but the security is not weak, it's actually very good. It will take 500 years for someone to break your Wi-Fi password, unless you tell them, of course. And in general, just don't use the wired equivalent privacy and don't disable the password for the Wi-Fi. Any of these options is good, but we recommend the mixed mode. That's all, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. As always, you'll find this in the video description, and you can get the link for the TP-Link as well. You can use a different router, of course. If you want to support us, get us a coffee on PayPal or trade our work token on the Pancake Swap Exchange, as we don't want to work for free. Bye guys, see you next time.